Hey everybody, here's a quick video in case you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F29 error. So what is the F29 error and how can you get rid of it? So the F29 error is related to the heater, but it's actually the heater steam that is not working properly, or it is sensing that the heater steam is inactive. And so you're probably going to need to replace the heater on the washing machine. But one thing I would do before I replace the heater is I would just do a hard reset on the machine to make sure that this fault is not coming from some electronic anomaly. So all you need to do a hard reset on your machine is to just turn it off, unplug it from the wall, or if it's hardwired you can turn it off at the circuit and leave it turned off for a full minute. After that minute's up, you can plug it back in, turn it back on, and then see if it hasn't cleared out this error and the error doesn't come back. And hopefully just doing a hard reset like on a computer sometimes it just fixes a lot of different problems. If not, you're probably going to need to replace the heater. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.